I'm going to say something right now that's going to sting a little bit. Your marriage is a mirror. It reflects who you're being right now, not who you want to be. And right now, you might not like what you see. Maybe you feel disrespected, dismissed, disconnected. You might be watching your wife grow colder by the day, become less affectionate, less communicative, less trustful. And it's tempting, really tempting, to start pointing fingers. She's too emotional. She doesn't appreciate me. She's changed. And maybe all that's true. But there is a deeper question that matters more than any of those complaints. Who are you being right now? Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and what is your marriage reflecting back to you right now? Are you grounded or are you reactive? Are you leading with calm, mature decisions or shrinking into silence? Are you clear about what you want or just trying not to screw it up? Because the truth is, your relationship will always reflect the man you bring to it. And if what you see in the mirror is fear and confusion and resentment or passivity, it's not her fault. And it's not yours either. But it is your responsibility. You don't fix your marriage by fixing your wife. You fix your marriage by fixing your relationship that you have with yourself. Because the moment you shift from blaming her to leading yourself, the entire energy of the relationship changes. She may not notice at first, but you will. You'll start to feel strong again and clear again. You'll start to feel respected by you. So how do you want to do that? How do you step back into being the man that you want to be when everything around you feels like it's falling apart? You start with truth. You start with clarity. And you start with you. So let me ask you again, brother. What is your marriage reflecting back to you right now? And more importantly, are you ready to change what you see? Let's build a life, a version of you that you can be proud of. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's talk. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on in your side you and inside your life. Let's get clear about what you really want for yourself in your marriage. After the call, I guarantee that you're going to feel calmer and more confident and more grounded in knowing that you don't need anyone else's approval to be the man that you were born to be. In addition to that phone call, I'll also introduce you to my community of men who are leading themselves every day. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls. So if you're ready to feel like the strong, confident, vibrant, happy man that you are again, then book that call and I'll talk to you soon.